Hi family, welcome to my channel. I have received a gift today. I don't know what it is. I don't know who it's from. But here it is in this Christmas box. Let me get it out of this box. Let's see here. Put it right here. And it doesn't have a name on it. I don't know who it's from right now. But I am going to open it and see what it is. Let's see here. I don't want to tear the box all up. But this leaflet was in here. Let's see. Here it is, and it says Temptations Prep, Cook, Serve, Store. And it's ceramics. Ceramics are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer safe. So let's get in here and see what it is. Let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Trying to open it. Oh, it's so well packed. Let's see here. Oh my. Just what I can see of it. Let's see. I don't want to break it. Let me put it down and see if I can just put it out of the box. Trying to do this with one hand. To break it at all. Let's see what it is. Okay. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Let me get my scissors right here. Oh, I just had the scissors. Oh, here they are. Let me kind of cut through it here. See what this is. A pleasant surprise. Working with one hand, y'all. Oh. Okay. I may have to open it, y'all. I don't have Tyler helping me today. He went home, and let's see, it's well packed. Okay, y'all, let me finish this. I'm working with one hand and come back on and let you see what it is in just a few. Okay, everybody, welcome back. I got the package opened. 4 very nice mugs, and they are used to prep, cook, serve, or store things in. So I love, 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 very thoughtful gift. And this is the stand that you stack them on. Here it is. One of them is on the stand already. I thank you so much. I don't know who sent the gift. Right now, I just see that it came from QVC. But a shout out to you. You know who you are. Thank you so much. And I will be putting these beautiful mugs to good use. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads, and make comments. I will talk to you on the next video. Bye now.